If you're falling behind on credit card debt and receiving countless harassing calls from creditors, it's not a pleasant situation to be in, but you do have options for a financial fresh start. Let me talk to you about Robert, one of our prior clients. Robert worked for a large cable company and was doing really well, but after 20 years in business, his large employer cut his overtime for him and 90% of the employees in the company. This led Robert to have an inability to pay his bills on time, debt collectors started to call, and hopelessness set in. Robert, like so many of our clients, was able to qualify to file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, which gave him a financial fresh start. He immediately felt better about himself and his ability to be able to support his family. Robert wasn't a bad person, and he didn't do anything deliberate to bring on his financial distress. He simply fell on hard times. He's the perfect example of someone trying to do everything right, but sometimes life deals you a bad hand. The bankruptcy laws were created to help people like Robert in this exact situation. I'm attorney Liam Perlman, a New Jersey bankruptcy attorney. I've been helping consumers and businesses get a financial fresh start that they deserve since 1994. Falling behind financially can happen to you or anyone at any time for reasons that you can't control. In fact, when bad things happen to good people, it's really important to understand you have options and understand what they are. One of those things could be filing a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, which can, in many cases, completely eliminate your debts. A Chapter 7 can be a simple process, but first you need to qualify. There are a couple things to keep in mind when you file a Chapter 7. One, you will need to complete a nonprofit credit counseling class. This can be completed online, usually in less than an hour, with typically no more than a $20 charge. Consumers can only file a Chapter 7 once every 8 years. This is measured from filing date to filing date. You should also understand when you file a Chapter 7 that you must pass something called a means test. This will be completed by your attorney. They will review your income and expenses to see if you fall within certain guidelines. In many cases, in a Chapter 7, if you own a home or finance a car, you can still maintain your contractual payments on your home and car and file Chapter 7, provided your home and car is not too valuable. Your attorney will carefully review these assets to confirm you meet those guidelines. So, what happens if you qualify for Chapter 7? You can wipe out or discharge credit cards, personal loans, medical debt, and payday loans. You can immediately stop lawsuits, bank levies, and wage garnishments. I'm not sure if filing bankruptcy is the right option for you, but if you find yourself facing financial difficulties, explore all your options so you can understand how to reduce your financial stress. Arranging a consultation is without cost at our firm. We offer in-person, Zoom, or telephone consultations, and the firm offers payment plans. Schedule your free financial fresh start, and we'll find a time to help you. I'm attorney Lee Perlman, NewJerseyBankruptcy.com.